Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm gonna share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content and I try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. In today's video, we're gonna do a quick and in-depth review of Bloxforge website. So Bloxforge website is basically a kind of service providing platform that offers Robux to the Roblox users for free. Since this offers all the products of Robux for free to the users, it is a major red flag because Robux is actually a very sort of expensive service. And if you look at the method of obtaining Robux, you will get to know that you just need to fill out few of the surveys, which also raises concerns about the originality of this website. Why? Because surveys collect data and the data is actually a very powerful asset of today's digital world. Apart from that, if we focus on any other downside, the Roblox official company has already instructed that obtaining Robux from any third-party application or platform will violate their terms policies, which is also a highly concerned part. And if we look at the trust score of this Flow Bloxforge website on Scam Advisor website, it has a 45 out of 100 trust score, which is really a low trust score. So in conclusion, I would say that you should not try purchasing these Robux tool from full blocks for website because it could be a scam and also it violates the original and actual policies of Roblox. So I hope this review was helpful for you, and if you guys want me to review any other product and platform, just do let me know in the comments below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.